And we're about to begin.
And for question, Pimiyero tayo. Uy, tagabuhin, speed, buwag. Ang gandang tira, para kay tagabuhin.
First blood for Tagapuwen.
Uy, shout out sa kaibigan kong smiling face, Mr. Galabas. From downtown, pero sa Timbo, ba?
Miss
Puro na smile.
by Ryan.
Can shoot. Okay, Timbo, man, shot from 20. Nanakaw sila. Timbo, reverse, that's good. First blood. Who's here? Tapos, nandito pa si Ramos.
Jerome! Bagyan.
Pahinangin yung bagyakan ni Mike. Shot of 14.
Kapit na! Russell shoots. He looks to get hot early. Malamig pa. Canlas gets that layup. Wow, thank you.
Salvadores. Shot of 14. Wala pa rin.
Wala.
Isa pa. Corners putback. Wala talaga.
Connors, wala.
Rebound by Mr. Pasada. And Canlas. Reverse. Short. Wait. Back to Jason. Jason to number 17. Canlas. Step back. Rebound by Mr. Russell. Putback. Wala pa rin. Nani ng bola kay Mr. Canlas number 28.
Put back.
Oy, kitang-kita. Minute 28.
6 minutes 28. You heard it right. Nash attacks.
Yes,
good.
Basag na.
What a play by Nash.
Ball off the board. That's good. 8-2. 6 minutes and 8.
Stolen.
And turnover.
Now, orange shirts are running.
Team ball lays off. 2 points.
And Tim Ball
And 2.
gets his 2 points.
5 minutes and 52. At the 14. And that was the shoot. And that's drop. Number 3. Tagapuhin. Wala.
Tagapuhin, wala.
Isang timbol.
Timbol.
Uplet tayo. Para kay Mr. Gandas.
And last lumipad. No problem with that. Open court. Basketball.
Kung bang pagkilala ni Mr. Gandas sa kanyang kuya. Gandas. Euro step.
Euro. Good defense by
Anak ko
Jason.
sila. Kadyan o. Back to Mr. Gandas. And a turnover. Eto lang si Mr. Nash. Gandas.
Nash.
Gandas.
Tumatakbo.
In and out na naman. Ang shot for the fourth number. Welcome to. Alam na ayaw patalo. Gandas. Ng Timoring.
Kalas. Ooh.
And a turnover again.
Turnover.
Nangyayari. The team. Relax. Sabi niya, relax lang kayo.
Relax lang, sabi niya.
Pagalan ng laro. Ng Timoring. Shot of 14. Ramos, walang warm-up from downtown. Uy!
No problem, no warm-up, no problem.
Tumira agad si Ramos.
3-point shot from Rupert.
22. Anong nangyayari? Team Yellow. Shot of 14. Kalye, the number 20, Colors. Colors, Mr. Lorian.
Oh, blocked by the young Lazada.
Osman Gonzalez, shot of 5 seconds. Wrong by Mr. Enchenlo.
Shit, I get to the ball.
Number 58, Gandas.
Kalas.
Gandas stays off.
No problem, left-handed layup. No weak side for Kalas.
4 minutes. Wrong by Mr. Lobo. Lobo, Mr. Enchenlo again. And Senator Manny lays up. Sorry.
JM now inside the ball game.
Turnover.
19-2. Make no mistake about it, sabi nga ni Jerome.
Uy, pinagalan talaga. Ng Timoring para makapasok sila. Shot of 14. Pagmamagic pa si Gandas. Pinaglaruan lang ni Gandas ang Team Yellow. Isa pa para kay Lazada. Lazada pinpilit block.
Ooh, blocked.
Nice hit pa. Ay, Mr. Romnick. Kapag number 14. Senator Manny from downtown.
Manny, Manny. Ben.
Hindi pa inalis ni Senator
I
Manny
must say
yung
match for tonight. The only team remaining is yellow, orange, red.
Minutes and 35. Corners,
And black. The lighter colors are eliminated. You're watching semi-final game between orange and yellow.
Ramos, Messi. Ramos, he's off. That's good.
That's good, Rupert.
21-2 ang score na rin. Ako play. Charlie Pro. Wala pa rin. Mga buhay sa pasada.
Sada.
Ramos again. Ramos Mendoza.
Ramos sumasag. Hits it.
On jersey number 14.
Jersey number 14.
First version. Rin. Quick pass.
Lorian.
Isa pa.
Oh, up step. You mean side step.
Again. Professor Canlas. Canlas stays up.
And he makes it.
Wala siya nag-yun. Ramos, put back. That's it. Turnover na naman. Eto na ulit. Bounce pass. Anchela to number 15. Canlas. Sabi ni Canlas, relax lang natin.
Last slowing it down. Picks up pace once more. Misdirection lang pala.
Wala kayong Mr. Carrier. 1 minute and 10.
JM.
Bebelo na si Mr. Carrier.
JM. He makes it. Let's look at that play once more.
25-4. Exactly 1 minute for the first quarter. Hands out the shit. Ramos.
Ramos.
Lazada pull up.
Sada. Rebound by Romnick. Romnick gets with the rebound. Lorian.
14 points.
Lorian. Dribbling.
Lorian. Kanino? Ay, Mr. Kanye. Kanye to number 20.
JM.
Corners to number 28.
Flips it to
The ball. Mr. Ramos. Last man is
Alvin misses Rupert now. Picking up pace. Lays up. Shorts. Romnick.
Shot back instead.
JM.
Kanye cross. Kanye pay. Kanye pull up.
Wala.
11 seconds.
JM.
Ay, this there. Reverse wala.
Reverse,
6
wala.
seconds. Oy, on a low 5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Canlas stays off.
Canlas obliges from an assist. From an assist from
And of the
Rupert.
first quarter score, 27-4. Isang Nash. Tawag ka dito. Yung isang Nash. Anchela. Yung isang guwapong Nash. Tawag ka dito. At ang 14. Ramos, case 9. Pull up. The ball by corners. Number 24.
24 corners.
Ball by Lazada.
Sada.
Lazada to Mr. Canlas. Sabi ni Canlas, babagalan ko. Oy.
Oh, what an interception. Oh, what a tap. Bang. Russell.
Canlas. Mr. Tipo. Tipo Lesky. Tipo, pull up. In and out. Wrong way. Mr. Russell the lead. Yung back 2 point. Time out na kagad.
7:28. Napakalalim ang lamangan. 7:28.
Ramos. Sabi ko na, babagalan nila to.
Ramos.
At ang 14. Ramos again. Back to Canlas. Canlas. Pinasabay ang kuya.
Picks up a foul.
Kala ko baka kaysa na. Ball with number 17. Mr. Nash
From Kuya
Canlas.
Nash.
First version of ball number 17. Nash Canlas. And first 8 ball.
Foul and Nash.
Shooting 3. Number 58. Mr. Canlas. Uy, ayaw pumalakpak ng Canlas family. Mukhang nasa ano sila. Zone ng tabla. Uy. Talagang ayaw pumalakpak ka rin ng Canlas family. Uy, basta
Pass to Russell.
Wala pa rin. Isa
Miss.
pa, Russell David.
One more.
And one.
Let's look at
Second
that.
down, there's number 9, Mr. Lazada.
Play once
First
more.
person on the ball, there's number
Picks up a
9,
foul.
first team, team. Ito ko po rin. Nash Canlas, ako number 50. Oh, the shot is good.
Ancheta makes it.
On Mr.
Just a long two.
On Mr.
Declared the three.
Ace habit ulit. Foul with your number 22, Mr. Tip. First. Okay.
Depende sa lens na gagamitin. Anong gagawin mo dun sa enlargement niya?
Ramos again. Ramos back to the ball.
halimbawa.
Tatlo na sila. Russell Mabid. Pull up. In and out na naman.
In and out, sayang. Oh, what a rejection
Ramos.
by Rupert.
97. Our 14. Mr. Ramos. Big pass. Number 58. Canlas. Senator Money.
Rapadan, thank you.
And a
3-second violation. Thank you po.
Panira na.
Padaan po.
6 minutes and 36. Canlas pa rin. Leads off.
Canlas makes it. Let's look at that replay.
33-12. Ang score natin. 6 minutes and 20. Tatang 14.
Good ball.
From downtown.
Shooting from 3. Good tap from the young Lasada. Timbol almost fumbles. Loses the ball. Oh, same ball.
Last shot para kay Connors. Cross pass. At siya na. Mr. Ramos. Fight to shoot.
Oh, what a block.
Binigay lang. Kumbaga. Mr. Ramos yun.
Looks like Nash is trying to stop that play with a foul.
Team ball tayo.
No call.
33-12. 5 minutes and 43.
Rapadan po. Thank you.
And the shoot from downtown.
Downtown, no. No that time.
And
Now Ancheta.
Canlas.
Alas. Ooh.
By Mr. Nash Canlas.
Trash.
Nakapiso.
Trash the Nash. Trash talk by Nash.
Tagapuwen.
Tagapuwen converts the basket
5 minutes and 13.
for yellow.
Kumakawa na. Canlas Mamini.
The older
Ball.
Tagapuwen.
Mr. Ramos. Lays off.
Ramos makes it.
Main five player.
With that change of fives. Let's look at that play from Rupert once more.
Naka 15 minutes.
A score ay 14-35.
Nakabawi ang bagyake kay Koya mo yan.
So yan.
Or 7. To number 38. Long 2. Kanino bola.
Miss.
Mr. Warner.
Kay Loren.
Lorian from downtown.
Oh, in and out.
In and out pa. Isang watching. Ayun. Andun na. Advance pass. Senator. Manny. Ancheta.
All alone. Ben.
37-14. 4 minutes and 13 from downtown. Bingo. See you next conference. Spring proceedings. Pero months na.
Di pa siya tapos.
Yun, trip to Boracay ni Marshall at Spring. Tapos na. From downtown.
Wow.
Three.
No mercy. Rupert making 3.
Sa team ng Orange. 14. Ancheta pa rin.
Ancheta.
Ancheta back to the ball.
Ball.
Pinipacing na naman ulit. Nag-team Orange.
Rupert slowing it down wisely. They are ahead. 14. 26-point lead.
8 seconds to shoot.
8 seconds on the shot
Shot
clock
ng 8
remaining.
seconds.
Rupert gets it in the middle. Umikot. Fall away. Parang pasa lang kay Monching. Assist.
Anong nangyari? Malapit na maging isang buwan. Ano yung wala?
28.
Lorian. Shot clock down to 12.
Lorian.
To Mr. Calles. Calles pipilit.
Complete domination from Orange. Calya finally answers with his own 2 points.
42-16.
Nakasagot din.
3 minutes and 15.
Almost a violation. Just crossing just in time.
40 seconds to shoot. And seconds to shoot.
Ref,
Crossover, right number 22. Step back. Team ball.
ball step back. Monching catches it. No foul. Monching asking for a foul. No call. Alvin, tumatakbo.
Aliyo para kay Romney.
Ooh. Too high for Romnick.
Timeout. Team Orange. 2 minutes and 43.
Orange calls a timeout,
Mga
16:42.
big man ko.
I wonder what they're going to talk about. Lamang na lamang sila. 16:42.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Yellow, twice the bit ng orange, ha? 2 minutes 43. Baka isipin niyo, baliktad.
Munching rolls the ball.
Hoy, hindi pa rin. 2014.
Rupert thinks about it. Rupert,
Okay.
dumrive.
Drive. Maulit na yan.
He was fouled.
Jersey number 7, Mr. Calle.
tulog ako. Baka
First
tumatakas.
jersey number 7, Mr. Calle. And a third team foul on team yellow.
13 foul, team yellow.
Boy sumbong.
42-16.
Malakas. Ingay ito. Dilo. Ay, tamag-auto.
And
Wala si Faye.
Kaso, si Balong maraming fans at haters. 2 minutes and 24.
2 minutes and 24.
Ariel, big pass. Kanino? Kaya number 28, shot number 14. Kalye Pig. Kalye Pig
Kalye.
Kalye.
Oh, blocked by Lobo.
Diba by Mr. Lazada.
Lazada.
Looking for Shopee. And
Lazada looking for Shopee. Lazada daw looking for Shopee.
Now play again.
And left-handed.
2 minutes. Diba by Mr. Colors.
No good. Now JM.
Kalye. Drive.
JM follows up his own miss. And
43-18.
42-18.
46. 1 minute and 14.
Rep. Thank you po.
14. And Sellers to shoot. 5 Sellers to shoot. Floater. 2 points.
Floater.
Girls.
Rupert.
45,
18-44. Romnick passes to Alvin. Alvin
Pull-up jumper.
makes it.
On Mr. Gonzalez. 1 minute and 6. 45-20. 1 minute, break time. Team ball, low.
Ball.
By Mr.
No
Calle.
call.
Alright, Mr. Connors.
Connors.
To Mr. Jam.
M gets to the ball. M double team. M.
Kaya drive. Wala.
Difficult time for M. Had to go through a double team and then Lobo.
Sellers to shoot.
Connors short front rim. Lazada. Oh, fancy too. Fancy pass there for Mr. Rupert.
Dorian again.
Lorian bigay kay
Pull up.
Bino. Bino
By
malakas.
Mr. Acheta.
Cheta gets to the ball now. Siya tumatakbo. Coast to coast drop. Good defense there. Telegraphed pass.
18 times win time.
By Romnick.
Nakisdet na tayo.
Again, Romnick showing what kind of defense he plays. Lalo na ngayon, ng semis.
Team ball from downtown.
Team ball makes it.
Gonzalez.
Woo.
8 Sellers. 5 Sellers. Wait for the buzzer.
5 seconds left. Romnick has time. Pinig pass. Sayang. He ran out of time.
7 quarter score.
So it's halftime. 40-20. First break of the night.
Alex, the number 10, Mr. Jason. Get out, the number 13 is going to be David is lead. David up the board. 2 points. 47-22. And the naman from defense. Para sa Team Yellow. 14 Sellers to shoot. And Sellers to shoot from downtown. Kanina bola, kaya bumili Canlas. Tumis, 13 ball is offensive. Anong nangyayari sa Jason dito? Ako play. Isa by Mr. Russell. Put back. Wala. Isa pa corners. Short again. Kanin ng bola kay Mr. Manny. To number 58, Canlas. Canlas again. Isa. Alley-oop. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Ramos.
Ganda pa rin kahit
And the
mabilis.
table. Shot clock. Rob
Hindi
Savage.
siya namawala sa focus. Ganyan
Oh,
talaga yun.
wait lang. Injury yata si Kanye. Kanye, kaya o ano? Huwag ipilit kung ano. Lumala yan. Injector ka na, Kanye. Sali ka na lang ni Marshall sa 40 above.
Ang loko yun eh.
Tatlong from side. And the shoot. Ramos again. Pull up. Rebound by Mr. Colors. Hello, corners na nagsabay. Ito na, Nash Gandas, bounce pass. Russell Abid, number 20, corners off the board. Wala pa rin. Good back, wala talaga. And that's the number 14, Mr. Ramos. Anong nangyayari, Mr. Corners? Tatak 10. Subdivision, Russell Abid. Five machine, and yet pull up. That's it. 50-24. Nice pass by the Chicken Lad. Again, low. Rebound by Mr. Monching to Mr. Manchela. And Timorins 3-on-2. Candas again, nabitawan. Kanina bola kay Mr. Nash Candas. Team Yellow. And kamutik na. Candas pa rin. Candas. And kamutik pa mother number. Connor short again. Rebound by Mr. Connors again. Russell the mid 50 front line. Yes, sir. 52-26. I see by Mr. Jason. Nagmamadali ang orange. Discipline by Mr. Connors. Connors lays out. Kaliet! Kaliet! 2 points. 52-28. 6 minutes and 15. And that's number 14. Ramos from downtown.
Woo, what a play. Nakuha mo? Paeng do. Sakto sir. Good.
And
Yellow mo lang.
down machine.
Ball.
1-2 step.
Ooh, what a block.
Ball shot clock.
Good
4
defense there.
seconds.
By
4 seconds to shoot.
super slow motion yun.
Shot clock.
Under
4
the
seconds.
frames.
Ako play. Raise up. Release.
Rebound
And
by
now it's Mr. Connors.
Connors.
Canlas lays off. Answer. 55. 32. Dinak na mo.
Parang NBA Phantom Cam.
5 minutes and 15. Canlas pa rin. Gusto makipagsayawan kay Jason. Shot clock 14. Head down to shoot. Canlas.
Canlas! Ano ba? No problem for Canlas. Kahit napakaraming defensive men.
4 minutes and 54. Russell David.
Short, sayang.
Kanye reverse.
Abangan mo yung follow-up. Hayaan mo na lang siya mag-stop mag-isa. Sayang. Baka...
Mag-stop siya mag-isa.
Oo, ayun na, mag-stop siya mag-isa.
Angela. Mr. Imbo. Shot clock
Huwag
14.
na yung pagpili mo.
Back to
20
Ramos.
seconds. So, ganun
Ramos.
pa.
Isa pa.
Walang salol. Bert.
Mr. Ramos.
Wala yung salol.
4 minutes and 48. 57-34. Third quarter pa lang.
Mas masud sir or turnover bago ko pinitin.
So, oh. Oh, hayaan mo na lang siyang ubusin niya.
Canlas again.
Yung buwelo lang. Yan.
And back. Russell David. 50 line. Yung manuyang mo, magaling na ng Dara.
Tagal din siya. Off mo na lang. Sayang. Sayang
4
yung
minutes
memory.
and 10.
Pag wala na siya,
Number 10, Mr. Jason.
sayang din.
Third personal
Meron siya.
foul on yung number 10, Jason
Pula siya.
Gilbao. And a first team foul on Team Yellow. At lang 17.
Sa pagkumanda rin oras,
4 minutes and 6.
Actually, pwede rin dito kung gusto mo.
4 minutes and 6.
Mas maganda yung button na.
Nararamdaman ko
And
sir.
shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Okay. Naribang na. Eto na si Kalye. Kalye to Mr. Nash Canlas. Takbo na ang Team Yellow. Canlas lays up.
Uy, ang ganda yan. Woo! Sayang.
Sabi ng rep.
Ang ganda yan.
Foul in jersey number 58, Mr. Canlas. First personal foul on Mr. Canlas, number 58. First team foul on Team Orange. 15 seconds to shoot. At ang 15.
Asan? Gets it to
Off the shoot.
Jason. Nash.
Crossover.
Almost over.
Canlas.
Ooh!
57-38. Labing shot na lang.
Ang putol yung mga paa nila.
David 17. Isa pa para Team Ball. Rebound by Connors. Eto na ulit si JM Kalye.
JM! Woo! What a layup. May JM. Mahabol na. What a run. 57-40. Bumawi naman ngayon. Si Timbol. Upping the lead to 59. 59-42. 17. Lumalapit sila. Good. Ref, padaan po, ref.
Ito, number 13, crossover three.
Yeah.
Time out on Team Orange. 2 minutes and 28. 59-42. Kaya ni Bandara. Makasya ni Mr. Russell Owil. Magaling ng Manoy ako.
Ganda na.
Patayin natin ito.
Ano kung papalampak niya ng adwang boys kit? Ha? Two minutes and 28. Palagyo na yung national na siya kung papalakpak. Yes, that's my point na mo. Wala pa. 2 minutes and 28. 59-42. Kanina, big yun yan. Labing pito na lang. Canlas. Eto na ulit ang Team Yellow.
Silipin ko ulit kasi sir. no?
Sige, sige lang. Anytime pwede siya.
Bibigay sila kay Kalye. Tunes.
Nash.
Canlas.
Bigay kay Jason. Tumira ng 3. And will they complete the comeback? And Jason looks to intercept.
Canlas. Over. Wala. Ibang by Mr. Russell.
Good rebound by Russell. Russell now gives it to Canlas. They're running.
Canlas. Lays up.
Rupert. Ooh, sorry, miss. Rupert trying to foul, but no call. 59-45, 14 na lang. Good defense.
Isa pa.
By Russell. Russell.
Ramos pa rin.
Ooh.
Kakaiba ka, Mr. Ramos. Yung sa rin ang rebound mo, pinuntak mo. 61-45. Kalye. SE. Baseline drive. Floater. Apa rin. At ibilisan ng Team Yellow. Behind the back. Ang gandang pasa. Canlas.
Good pass behind the back pass from Rupert.
Team Yellow.
Nakakasagot po ang Orange.
1 minute and 10.
Pamatay sunog plays. Just when Yellow came up with their own run. May sagot po ang
Sasayaw ulit si Nash Canlas.
Orange.
Canlas lays up.
Nash, shorts. Now, bola ng Orange. Canlas uli. Kabilang Canlas. Gives it to Rupert. Rupert tumira. Rebound.
46 seconds.
46 seconds left sa ating third quarter.
Russell Wade. Mr. Connors from down.
Connors tumira.
Kanina pala kay number 17, Nash Canlas.
Nash
Canlas.
gets
Bibigay
to the
sila kay
ball.
Mr. Samin. Wala pa rin.
Short.
Wala pa rin, Mr. Labo.
Pagod na sila.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Enough time.
Lays up.
Lumipad. Si Timbol.
Contact is dead na kayo. 22 seconds.
22 seconds left sa ating
65, 45. That's 16 seconds. Kalye drop. Nash Canlas.
Nash.
Canlas.
Travels. Offensive foul. Double black eye.
11.9.
Offensive foul. Code. Nakuha ma?
11 seconds. Kumbaga.
Sarap panoorin.
Last quarter, 1 quarter left, 45-65. Balik sa 20 ang Kalamangan. Naibaba na yan kanina sa 14, if I'm not mistaken. Rupert trying to clarify things with the referee. The two Canlases converging on center court. The orange Canlas is ahead. Munching to inbound. The giant Munching.
Involved number 14. Oy, mismatch.
Rupert picks up the foul.
Walang no si Mr. Ramos. Calling yours number 10, Mr. Jason. Warning on number 10, Jason Ginto. Fourth personal.
Lipat kita. 48.
Hindi pa rin gumagana dyan.
Orange.
Kasi galing lang sa free throw.
Rolls the ball.
9 minutes 20. From downtown.
Ball shoots it.
Rebound and top.
Wala.
Russell Reed. And now si Mr. RTD. The last play.
Ooh, sayang.
Turnover tayo.
Nash loses it.
Ibong. Mr. Canlas. And then Canlas pa rin. Nakalusot. Canlas.
Ooh,
Ay, kamay.
foul on JM.
Thank you po. Uy, kamuti.
Misses it too. Russell with the power rebound. Russell passes it. Asks for the ball. Gets the ball back. Nash thinking about it. Passes it to Russell. That's his range. Sayang.
And number 14, Ramos. Alley-oop.
Alley-oop. Wala.
By Mr. Russell.
Russell.
So yan, sir, may kabasket ka ulit Canlas. Kaya mo agad mapipindot ka.
Yellow trying to overhaul this lead. 18. 8 minutes. Lots of time. 18-point lead. If they make a comeback, what a comeback we would consider it. And they're the team who's capable of doing that comeback. Tignan natin if they could.
68, 14, 20 ulit. Ito na, Canlas.
Nash passes to Kale. Wala. Ref, thank you.
And down the machine. And last pull-up jumper.
Jab from Canlas.
Number 14, number 22, Mr. Tipon. Get the back.
Canlas opts for a reverse. What a block.
Tipon to Ramos floater. Wala pa rin.
Ooh, Joseph gets control of the rebound. Nash.
And now let's Mr. Canlas.
Nash.
Mr. Gallier.
GM, reverse. Nakuha mo yun?
68, 15.
Nice one.
Follow.
Like to thank our
7 minutes on
camera
the
assistant. Second camera, Jet. Thank you.
From downtown. Pagod na si Ramos.
Ramos misses.
7 minutes.
68-50. 18.
Nash Canlas.
7 minutes pa yan. Oh, sorry, miss.
That's the folks in Nash Canlas. Eto na. Ramos.
Rupert!
Paul with your number.
Almost makes that one.
Mr. Connors. First personal ball number 20, Connors. And the third team ball
Nash showing frustration.
Now division number 2, Romnick Santa South. 6 minutes and 46, 68, 50. 52 on number 14, Ramos. Pwede na po sa red team, ha? Andito si Doc. Bakit is that? Oh, shot is good. 69-50. Nash Canlas pa rin.
Nash.
Mr. Number 13, Russell Abidin.
Russell. Yes, good.
69-52. That's a 14. And the shoot.
Lasada, good stroke.
Short. Around by.
Miss.
And ang tawag rep. Nastat. Parang ito sa Munching. 6 minutes and 9.
6 minutes and 9.
69-52 pa rin.
69-52.
6 minutes na po.
Labing pito, 6. Halfway mark sa ating last quarter.
Ay, Mr. Russell.
Russell loses.
Tumama sa
Regains
paa.
possession, tumama sa paa according to the referees.
And the shoot, step back from downtown. Come by Mr. Russell again. Russell, siya naman, step back jumper. Wala pa rin. Ay, binig ng 45. And na, si Mr. Lefty, deep ball, lays
Team ball lays it up. Yes, good. Adding to the lead. 19 na ang Kalamangan. May time pa kaya para makahabol.
Basic na lang.
JM.
Sabi ni Mr. Ramos, 2.
17.
Uy, take it.
Rupert.
Pull up. And
Yellow ball.
team yellow.
Time check. If there is a team
Who
who can do it, it's them. They've proven it time and time again.
Is it? By Mr. Katya. 71-56. Ating iba. 4 minutes and 50.
Launching rebounds.
Ramos, three ball. Batman and Robin. Oh!
Foul.
4 minutes and 35. Shot clock 19.
Let's remember the
Now
next
play. Uy!
game is between red and black.
And the turnover na naman para sa team ng yellow. Ito na, si Mr. Canlas.
Last.
16. Na nakaulit sila.
Naka-play. Unless rejects the naka-play.
14 to shoot.
Anchata. Misses the first one.
Ang shot. Ready for jumper. Hindi ko pa nakikita siya na. Si Mr. Poligat. Ang red team. Ang shot. Shooter ball. May Mr.
Shooter's bounce.
2.
Miscue. Russell loses the ball.
Let's pass.
Wow!
He's off.
Orange just playing around. Playing with yellow's defense.
74, 56. It's a Russell. He's off short.
Russell misses.
Rupert.
Finds. Unless Joseph. Now taking it coast to coast. Both teams are tired. Gives it to Russell. Russell, 2 points.
24.
What a play.
Warning, team. It's a Russell. Give me 20.
Ooh,
He's off.
looks like a foul. No call.
Give me 10. Candas off the board. 2
Unless
points.
makes it.
74, 60. Labing apat na lang.
Labing
3
apat.
minutes and
3
2.
minutes. Oh, may sapat pa kayang oras.
Basket count, Paul in your number 2, Mr. Santos. Third personal ball number 2, Mr. Santos. Bonus shot on number 58, Mr. Candas.
74-60.
76,
76-60. A little low.
59, fourth quarter.
There you go. Almost 3 minutes. 1 second less.
Bonus shot again. Around by Mr. Russell.
Russell.
Number 7, Mr. Kanye.
Jim thinks about it.
The number 20.
Loves it. Tama lang. For the pass. Still. Labing apat.
44. Candas.
14. No call.
13, Mr. Russell.
Russell. JM.
He's off. Wala.
Wala pa rin. Sorry, miss.
Russell.
Gives it to... Oh! Omnic. Loses it. Butterfingers. That time. Di ka nakahabol, Doc? Ay, red ka pala. Nalito ako.
2 minutes and 30.
Can't make their points. Make their baskets.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Sorry, misses after sorry, misses. And that's the story of the entire game.
26-62. 2 minutes and 30. Fourth quarter.
2 minutes, fourth quarter. Duty foul by the older Canlas. Penalty. Will they keep on doing this to freeze the clock?
2 minutes and 20.
First free throw is good.
First shot is good. That's number 15. Santos, number 20 winners. South African. Pull up by Mr. Russell. 2 points.
Russell makes it. 2 points from Russell.
Yes, winning. 78-64.
78-64. Labing apat pa rin. Comfortable lead
Shot up 14.
for yellow.
Canlas pa rin. Canlas drop. Senator
If
Money.
things stays, barring any miracles, looks like yellow.
Russell Levine. Wala. Good pass. Yes, it. Mr. Connors.
Connors with the putback.
80-66. 1 minute and 37.
Orange is happily trading baskets. They can afford to do so.
1 minute and 13. Aliyom tayo. And the third number is
Yes.
Mike Russell. Ito na ulit si Mr. Nash Canlas.
Nash.
Canlas pa rin. Slide. Short na naman. Kanino mula din Mr. Omnick. 1
Omnick.
minute 18. Colors. Pulled up.
Connors.
Rebound by Mr.
Connors gets to the
Connors
ball.
pa rin.
Saves it.
And a traveling violation. Mr.
Traveling
Connors.
violation.
Good na sabi ng referee, Mr. Connors. Anong nangyari? 1 minute and 9.
Connors was confused that time.
One minute and 5. 1 minute. And the shoot.
Foul given up by Tagapuan.
Number.
Score 68-80. Time check.
Penalty situation. Third personal foul of Mr. Tagapuin.
Jerome, time check.
66. First shot is good.
681, 66, 15. It stays around 15, 16 for majority of the game.
66.
66. Russell trying to make some points at the end game. Miss
42 seconds.
for 2 seconds. Looks like a formality for Orange.
He's off.
Tim Ball makes another 2 points.
84-66.
84-66. Looks like a formality. And
Congratulations.
Orange prevails over yellow. And the first team to enter the finals is the Orange team
Warm up now.
over yellow.
Well,
And again, I'd like to thank our live stream partners, Gondolina Resorts, Porac, Gondolina Private Villas. Also, RJD Furniture. And Blanco Furniture.